You must continue from where your father stopped to serve.
Kevin and Angela. Kevin and Angela. Hey, thank God they are around. Yes.
What is it?
Oh, thank God they are here. They are around. Nkiru and Angela, or whatever they call you. I can see you are the people constituting all the problems in this family. I can see it. It is very, very vivid. Can you see it? Sorry to say it, but that is true. I have known it now that the two of you are failures.
With due respect, sir, do not refer to our mothers as failures.
Once again,
will you shut that your gutter, you poor mouth?
Please forget about the irresponsible first son who has lost his primogeniture. Let's concentrate on Nkiru and Angela. Look, two of you have committed abomination by destroying the gods that your husband served. Yes. The God that have protected you as a family
and preserved you
now, and moreover,
hey! Protect who? The gods that protect who? That thing there has never and they will never protect my family and the I.
Hey!
That thing is dead.
Clear your mouth.
That thing there is dead. Yes.
Wait, I thought you said your God is powerful.
Oh!
Eh? Why can't he come and fight for himself? Why are you fighting for him?
Angela, come on.
Maybe he's somewhere taking a cold beer.
Hey.
And he's smoking.
Probably smoking.
And he's taking a hot pepper soup. And you're here fighting for him.
Angela, you too.
Listen. Your God is dead.
Hey! Remember your religious language.
Can you not see it?
Against Sobunabali.
Against Sobunabali. The Almighty Obunabali to come and fight for himself, not you to come and fight for him. The news is that your God is dead. Your God, Amuka, and Ekubo. Your God is dead. And dead. And gone forever. To your dead. To your dead. Come on, be speaking grammar. In a say grammar. Come on, be speaking grammar. Look at them. Come on, be speaking grammar.
Stupid ass.
Look at them. Hey! What's now their gods? They are dead gods. Nonsense. Hey!
It is over.
It is over.
He proposed and I accepted. Wow! Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. I serve from your blessings. You didn't talk it well. Okay. I pray and I wish you that you get your very, very soon. Thank you very much. Right? You know her? What can you be? And they will sell you. You will not know the pain, and they will sell you a leggy. You know that her brothers came from the city to prayer warrior and set a woman. They set a woman back ablaze. Yeah, the shrine everywhere is your back. Yes. Hey! Hey! Why are you shouting hey? On your man of you didn't know?
But come to me. I don't think it's wise to force anyone in serving anymore. It should be your decision. And Ogunabali is a dead God.
Chinedu, you have here. It's not stop.
Me, I don't believe this thing you say. You know that I know. It's a very dangerous. It is very dangerous. Go for upsetting that. Now, Odochi, this thing you're saying, I don't know.
My mother will
You guys have seen prayers. Prayer warriors, they were compassion, destroying. They were praying until it was set ablaze.
And nothing happened.
Absolutely nothing happened. I was thinking there would be like maybe an attack or something, but nothing.
Maybe the gods went to the market.
You can say that again. I feel it was too hot for them to handle it.
That will serve as a lesson to them. In the next war, they will force people into idolatry.
You can say that again. In fact, my happiness is that my husband's family members will be at peace. Yes.
Isn't God too wonderful?
You can say that again. Babe.
Okay. Babes,
Wait,
guess what?
I beg. You know I'm not good at guesses. Please.
Just try and guess.
Wait, tell me. What is it?
I caught a fish. Yes, babes.
Wait, okay. Before I get excited.
So you asked me to go and catch a fish.
Wait now. Before you get excited, is it mackerel, tilapia, which of the fish?
That's the meaning. Are you trying to downgrade me?
Stop, tell me.
I caught a shark. Yes, babe.
Shark, collect hand.
Girl, I did exactly as you instructed.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, babes.
So tell me, when are we meeting him?
Come on, relax. You will soon.
How can I relax?
Just relax. Yeah. At least I just made you proud.
I need to be very careful to make sure somebody doesn't slip out. Oh, baby, that reminds me, I promised taking baby out today.
So your baby is more important than I am now.
Brenda, you are so jealous. Okay, smile for me. Brenda didn't say that. You are the one carrying the baby in your womb. So if I'm taking the baby out, it's as good as taking you out. So come on, cheer up.
Aww. That sounds romantic.
I know, right? So what you just do is to get prepared, get something sexy to put on, okay? Let me just get to the office and clear up my desk. Is that a deal?
Right. And make sure you come back early.
Sure, I will.
Take good care. I love you.
I love you so much.
I love you.
I said I love you so much.
I love you.
Come on, I love you.
Come back
Let
on
me
time.
run along so I don't get late.
All right. Take good care.
I forgot to tell you something very important. I love you. I love you, Brenda.
Take good care.
I love you.
Bye, baby. Oh, God. Tell me, when will you stop this lifestyle and allow a real man to love you?
I hear you, okay? And please, I am not in the mood for this your summer.
Well, I feel like just saying...
Brenda, please. Enough of me, okay? Let's talk about you. How are you coping?
As you can see, I'm fine. God is so faithful.
Yeah.
We won the battle.
He always comes through for his people.
Oh, wait, let me do something for you.
I beg, Brenda. You want to put me in trouble? So you want your husband to come and say, I am... Please, just relax. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Let me do something.
No, I'm fine. In fact, I'm going. I am going. I have something to take care of. Thank you for the drink. Take care of yourself. Okay? I'm not happy that you sorry. Don't worry, next time. I guess. Bye. Love ya.
Can you imagine?
Hello. Do I know you?
Not really, but I think we've spoken twice last month.
How?
Look, I've spent a lot of time and money trying to locate you. But now that I have, let me introduce myself to you.
Okay.
My name is Mrs. Gold, the wife of Chief Ibe.
Okay, Mrs. Gold. How can I help you?
Look, I am here to warn you to stay away from my husband for the very last time. I am not going to do this again. You've turned my house into a war zone. Stay away from my husband.
Look, Mrs. Gold, or whatever you call yourself, I'm actually in a haste. And please, if you have a problem with me sleeping with your husband, please take it out to him, okay? Leave me.
Hey, and where do you think you're going to? Because I don't remember asking you to leave.
What? Wow. You know what? I am going to pretend you didn't drag me. But if you want to see how a lion acts when its tail is being touched, then drag me back again. No,
really?
Get out!
Look at what this man is making me go through. Don't worry.
So Jerry, let's come to this. No, this is who you are. You think you can outsmart me? Do you think you can outsmart me?
What are you talking?
So you sit down there, Jerry, to ask me, what am I talking about? You think I don't know? Stay away from my business. Don't think you're smart.
Tony, just calm down, okay? Bring down your voice. This is an office. Look, if there's anything bothering you, you can just explain to me.
Office, my food. You hear me? Office, my food. So you think you can outsmart me? Now let me warn you. You see that business with agrochemicals? It has been signed and sealed. Stay away from it.
Beg your pardon. Do not insult me. Tony, listen to me. We submitted our proposal just like every other company did. So do not, I repeat, do not even think of coming in here to insult me. Do you get it?
Nothing but a fool. You're a
coward.
You're a madman.
You're very stupid.
You're a madman.
I see you are sick.
You're mad.
What's wrong with you?
You're mad.
Okay,
oh, you're being stop this.
Wow, Tony. Did that just happen?
Now this will be the very last time I will warn you. Stay clear of my business.
You better go and check your guy. Okay, babe, carry that thing inside. Go and check your very for me. I need to shut down.
It's not your fault. You only submitted a proposal like every other company did. Besides, everybody is hunting for a business deal. Well, I think it would be wise for you to apologize to him. Yes, he is your brother. Just apologize so that peace will reign. Say something. Come on, you have to calm down.
Hey, baby.
This woman, what is the problem? Wait, I can't remember employing you as my personal guard. Why are you following me around? What's wrong with you?
He did this to me, all because of you. He hates me in the presence of our kids, all because of you. But it's fine. I only came here to show this to you. And also to tell you that I am divorcing him. But I promise you one thing. What will come to you will be worse than this. I promise you that.
Is she just threatening me?
My sister. The same people that wanted to bring down the entire roof. And now the people hobnobbing and doing their lovey-dovey.
You see, as for me, in my next word, I will come as a man.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? Do you look like someone that even has a glimpse or chapter in the next life? What next life?
That's your business. I'm about come and give me the 5K.
Waka dear, I'm about kill you. No,
Madam, come and give me the 5K.
I am busy. Stretch forth and get it.
Okay, for me to slap, they will look at you. Without giving me the 5, let me be going.
Collect it and go. Please.
I don't even understand you, safe. Eh?
I cannot really slap
you. You take things so serious, baby girl. Here's this one. Excuse me.
Tony, I have watched you closely. I've taken my time to look at you, how you work and all of that. And I've deduced that you are capable of handling the affairs of this company. So as for you, we'll be in charge of all the clearing and forwarding. We'll be in charge of all the negotiations of any kind. And very importantly, every documentation in this company must carry your signature.
So I'm a bit confused here. Can you break it down in a layman's language?
Go back to your office. You can look. Hey, sugar. Come here.
I'm so sorry. I was too busy in the kitchen. I forgot to ask.
See, you're busy in the kitchen.
So how did it go with your brother?
Well, everything turned out fine. He came, apologized. I did same. Everything is settled now.
Oh, that's my baby. Oh, I knew the devil was up to something.
Yeah.
But it came too late.
You're right. Guess what?
You know I'm not good at that.
The contract. We won it. And it's a plus to our company. Yes.
That's great!
You know what? I got something very special for a special person like you and my baby boy.
What is it?
Guess.
Tell me.
Okay, so just hold on, let me go get it. I'm coming. Hold on. Just sit down, please. Honestly, doctor, I am confused. I don't know what is going on. Doctor, this is the third time. The third time my wife is having a miscarriage. I mean, what is going on?
Honestly speaking, Mr. Jerry, I must say this is out of medical constraints. Yes. If I may ask, do you go to church?
Of course I do. I'm a Christian. I go to church. This has been the battle in my family right now, doctor.
Well, in that case, I suggest you see your pastor. Yes. I think you should know more.
I'll do so, doctor. Thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate it.
Yes? Talk to me now.
I'm calm. I saw him very unconscious.
Talk to me now. What happened?
I had a dream.
You saw who?
It was a dream.
Dream? What happened?
My brother.
Your brother? What happened to him? Talk to me now. You're making me scared.
Yes, I'm calm. I saw my brother Tony.
Yes. What happened? Talk now.
I'm talking. Tony was very unconscious.
Okay.
I saw him. He was passed out.
God forbid.
So I'm making incantation to that stupid deity. God forbid. God forbid.
It's not possible. God forbid.
Baby, my brother.
Listen. Just calm down and relax. All we need to do now is pray. We need to pray. It's not a good sign at all. It's not just a good sign. Father, in the name of Jesus, thank you for everything that you've done. Lord, we commit this house into your hands. We commit Tony into your hands, Lord. Every